Walked into the party like you were walking up to a yacht. Your hair deeply dipped below one eye. Your scalp was apricot. You had one eye in the mirror eyes. You watched yourself gather. All the girls dreamed that baby would pop it, baby would pop around. About you, you're so lame. I bet you think the song is about you, don't you? Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've sore fingers again with you, hopefully for another interesting guitar lesson. Another classic song, this time from Carly Simon, of course, and a big hit for her called You're So Vain. Okay. So I am in standard tuning. I am doing it in the same key that Carly Simon originally recorded the song in. Okay, so the song starts off with this little weird bassy bit and some chords. Okay, sort of, and obviously it's not quite the same, but it's something similar. Okay, so what I'm doing there is I'm fretting the 5th fret of the bottom E string with my 3rd finger, and the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, with my 1st finger. And I'm palm muting, I'm resting the edge of my hand there, near the bridge somewhere, very lightly on the strings, on the bassy strings, okay? And you basically hit the bottom E string, and you do that with the 5th string on the 3rd fret there. So, and then back to the 6th string, so 6th string, back to the 6th string, 5th string, and then 6th string, that sort of thing. You do that 2 times and 3 times, how many times you want to do it, 4 times. Okay, something like that. Okay, got that? Very simple. And then what you do is you lead up to an A minor by hitting the bottom E string open, 3rd fret bottom E string, A minor, hit the A string, so open E string, bottom E string, 3rd fret on the bottom E string, hit the open A string, the 5th string, strum the chord, the A minor, okay, and then a quick little pause, and then take your 3rd finger off to leave an A minor 7th, so the 3rd string is now open, and you hit that chord and immediately put the finger back and make it another A minor and play the A minor again, like, okay, that's without the finger and then with the finger, A minor 7th to A minor. Okay, so what we've got is this, okay, and then you just repeat that build up, bottom E string, 3rd fret bottom E string, open 5th string, A minor, little pause, and then A minor 7th to A minor. And then on the 3rd time I start singing. You walked into a party, that bit. You walked into a party like, okay? So let's just do that intro again. Walked into a party like you were. Walking is F. Walking on to a, back to A minor, yacht. You had strategically did below one F. That is a, back to A minor. So it's A minor to F, back to A minor. A minor to F, back to A minor. Okay? So from the beginning, you'll get this in a minute. You walked into to the party lake. You were walking onto a yacht. Your hat strategically dipped below one eye. Your scalp was amply cold. Right? You wrote that. This is the next bit. You had F major 7th. That's an F chord with a top E string open. So lift off the bar, play the top E string open, and you had one in the mirror. Right, so that's F major 7th. You had Y, G, in, so you can play a G like that, or like whichever G you want. F major 7th. You had Y, in, G in the E minor, mirror, A minor as F major 7th again. You watched, just a single strum this time on F major 7th on watched. Watched yourself, Gav, C. Watch. I'm playing a 4-fingered C there. You can play a C, 3-fingered C if you want. I'm just putting this, making it C with G in the bass, putting this 3rd finger up to the bottom E string on the 3rd fret, putting my pinky on the 3rd fret, 5th string. Play all 6 strings then. So from this bit we go to F major 7th, you had F major 7th, 1 I, G in the E minor, mirror, A minor as F major 7th, stop, watch yourself, Gav, C, right, and all the G girls dream that, F. They be your partner, they be your partner, and C. Okay, you're so vain. Okay, that's the you're so vain bit. So, let's go through that whole thing up to that point, shall we? Okay, so you walked in to a party like strategically dipped below one eye. Your scalp it was amply cold. You had one eye in the mirrors. You watched yourself grab up, and all the girls dreamed that baby your partner, and you're so vain. Right, that's as far as we've got, yeah? And on that F, because you'll be your partner, you can build it up the volume wise by hitting slightly harder as it builds up. So baby your partner, and C, you're so vain. Now what I think this is a D minor 7th. You probably think the song is about you. You can play an F there or a D minor 7th. So you could play an F. So you're so vain. F, you probably think the song is about you, or you can play a D minor 7th, which is an F chord without the 3rd finger. So open 4th string, open 5th string, 2nd on the 3rd, and then barring the first 2 strings on the 1st fret there. I think it's a D minor 7th, but some people play an F, I think. It's up to you. Okay, so C, you're so vain. D minor 7th. You probably think this song is about you. You're so A minor, vain. F, I think your song is a G about you, don't you? And then you're off into another verse and another chorus played exactly the same way, just different words on the verse. Okay, and that's all there is in it. Obviously there's a guitar solo in it, but that's an electric job, so I'm not doing that one. so hum it. It's the same as a verse, basically. Okay. So let's just go through the whole thing, shall we? Okay. So from the beginning. scalp it was apricot. You had one eye in the eyes. You watched yourself get on. All the girls dream that they be your partner, they be your partner, and you're so vain. You probably think the song is about you. You're so vain. I bet you think this song is about you, don't you, don't you? You had me several years ago when I was quite naive. Get the idea, don't you? Well, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you soon.